So hi, my name is Ahmad Takis Nibzal bin Ahmad Fauzi. My matrix number is 10EKA23F1107.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Alia Shakira binti Muhammad Aidil. My number matrix 01EKA23F1088.
My name is Nur Khadijah binti Safri and my matrix number is 01EKA23F1100.
Hi, my name is Siti Nuradawiyah binti Ishaq. My matrix number is 01DKA23F1092.
Differentiation is technique which can be used for analyzing the way in which functions change. In particular, it measures how rapidly a function is changing at any point. In engineering applications, the function may, for example, represent the magnetic field strength of a motor, the voltage across a capacitor, the temperature of a chemical mix, and it's often important to know how quickly these quantities.
I want to give one example application of differentiation in real life. In medicine, differentiation plays a vital role in modeling physiological process. By differentiation, function that describe the growth or decline of substance in the body, such as drug concentration. We can analyze the rate of change and make informed decisions about dosage and treatment strategies. Application in real life. Differentiation helps understand motion and change. By differentiating displacement with respect to time, we obtain velocity and acceleration. This knowledge is crucial in designing vehicles, predicting the behavior of objects in motion, and developing control systems for robotics.
Okay guys, so we choose question B. First thing first, step 1, you have to define dy over dx. So how to define dy over dx? First thing first, the power of 3 you must multiply with 4 because the formula like that, and then power of 3 minus 1, and then we can get 12x squared, and then plus 5x because 2 minus 1 is just x, and then 5x 5. Okay, so after that you have to use calculate. So step in to use calculate is step 1, you have to select menu setup, and then you have to select equation, and then you have to select degree, and then you just drop all numbers dy over dx at the calculate, and then you can get the answer x1 and then x2.
So for the second is x1 equals to 0.35, y equals to 4 times 0.35 power of 3 plus 5 times 0.35 square minus 5 times 0.35 minus 1 equals to 0.17 plus 0.61 minus 1.75 minus 1 equals to negative 1.97. For the x2 equals to negative 1.18. Y equals to 4 times negative 1.18 power of 3 plus 5 times negative 1.18 square minus 5 times negative 1.18 minus 1 equals to negative 6.57 plus 6.96 plus 5.9 minus 1 equals to 5.29. Number 3 is the coordinate of stationary point are 0.35, negative 1.97 and negative 1.18, 5.29.
dy over dx equals to 12x squared plus 10x minus 5. So we want to find d square y over dx squared. So we can get we can get 24x plus 10. Okay guys, so after that we have to assume x equals to 0.35. So we have to use the same formula, which is d square y over dx square equals to 24 dx 0.35 you have to include in the bracket, so we can get 24 in the bracket 0.35 plus 10. So we can get the answer, which is equals to 18 less than 0, and then we can get minimum point. Okay, then the second assume is x equals negative 1.18. So we have to use the same formula like before this, which is d square y over dx square equals to 24 in bracket minus 1.18 plus 10. So we can get the answer, which is minus 18.32 more than 0. So we can get a maximum point.
So for the graph, we draw a y and x axis. So we put the coordinate at the graph, and then we draw a little dot to the coordinate negative 1.18, 5.29 and 0.35, negative 1.97. After we draw a dot, we just draw a line at the graph. So yeah, that's it, your graph.
Hi, we choose question A. Okay, now I will explain how to define dy over dx. First, see the equation, and from question, we can think what should we do. First, differentiate the equation to 12x squared plus 18x negative 12, and then take the calculate for use EQN. Put number in calculate and get the answer. First x 0.5 and second x negative 2. Second, to find the second answer, we need to use the answer in the first question. Replace x to answer we find in question 1. So use first x 0.5 to replace x in question. Example, y equal 4 bracket 0.5 bracket cube plus 9 bracket 0.5 bracket square negative 12 bracket 0.5 bracket negative 5. Simplify the answer. 0.5 plus 2.25 negative 5. The answer is negative 8.25. And then use second x is negative 2. Replace same like first. So y equal 4 bracket negative 2 bracket 3 plus 9 bracket negative 2 bracket square negative 12 bracket negative 2 bracket negative 5. To simplify, negative 32 plus 36 plus 24 negative 5. The answer is 23. Third, the coordinate of stationary point are. The coordinate must write x, y. So first x 0.5 and y negative 8.25, and for second coordinate for x negative 2 and coordinate y 23.
Determine x-intercept and y-intercept point. By doing that, we need to take back our dy dx that equals to 12x squared plus 18x minus 12, and then we will differentiate it again, so we will get d square y over dx square, and then we will get 24x plus 18. After that, we take our x1 point, which is negative 8.25, and then we put it in our d square y over dx square. We will get 24 open bracket negative 8.25 close bracket and plus 18. Calculate it all, and then we will get negative 180, and that will be our maximum point. Next, we will find our x2, which is 23. We put it in our d square y over dx square, and that will be 24 times 23 plus 18. Calculate it all, and then we will get 570, and that will be our minimum point. Sketch the graph of the curve. So this is our graph. So 0.5 and negative 8.25 is our x1 and y1 point, and 223 and negative 2 is our x2 and y2 point.
In conclusion, difference simply refers to the rate at which a quantity changes. It exactly measures the slope of the certain function curve. Most everything use differentiation. Differentiation can be used to improve tools like speedometers and odometers. So, differentiation is used to identify change in one thing relative to another, which can contribute to a better tomorrow.